We recently purchased and had installed the Ashby Park 52 inches ceiling fan. The installer told us we could purchase additional remotes and that they would have the same default setting as the one we have. Today we received the additional remotes and they do not control the fan. I have been unsuccessful in finding the additional TX028CS remotes we need. Can you help?
Who makes your ceiling fan? How old is it?
Home Decorators, and we just purchased it within the last week.
How long has this been going on with your ceiling fan? What have you tried so far?
The fan is working fine with the included remote, but it does not respond to the additional remotes we purchased.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The additional remotes have 5 pegs while the original one only has 4.
Hello, my name is. I'll be helping with your question today. I am sorry to hear that you are having trouble with your added remote controls, and understand your frustration. I am sure we can find the answer you need in short order. Before I need some additional information from you if possible. It does not sound like the added remotes are compatible. I want to help get you the answers you need, and we can definitely get that done, but I will need your help. Please provide any additional details that may be helpful. For example, BRAN and modal information, photos, labels, sketches, wiring diagram, locations, etc. Anything that will help me understand what you have going on. Please do not share any sensitive information in this chat. You will see a pop-up for an offer to see all ME. This is optional and usually not necessary. I have the manual for your fan. The factory remote does only have the 4 dip switches. What did you get for the additional remotes? Unable to find a matching remote control for your fan. TX028CS. This is a special system with the color temperature changing feature. No universal replacement. Hello? Hello. Without the information requested in my first/previous response, I can only give you a general answer. I hope this helps. I have attached an electronic copy of the manual for your use and reference. The contact information is included. I would be happy to provide a more detailed answer if you can provide the information requested. I hope I have answered your question. Or at least pointed in the right direction. If any part of my response is unclear, please let me know. My goal is to provide excellent service, so let me know if there is anything more I can do for you. Please remember to click a rating for our Q&A session at the top or bottom of your screen on the app or website. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.